Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. First update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So the initial area of resistance going into Friday is going to be right up there around the $1.45 mark. Initial probably wasn't the best choice of words, because really the initial level, meaning the first key level to watch going forward, is going to be down here at $1.25, which had quite the track record today of acting as resistance and forcing the price down. So a couple times this morning, and then once again in the afternoon, price bounced up, and once again the price was rejected right at that level. So again, yes, $1.45 is indeed still a level of resistance. But before you focus on that, the price now needs to prove itself in the near term by getting up above that $1.25 mark. As far as levels of support now, it's all about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Current value of that at $1.09. And even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, then assuming, of course, you're bullish, you definitely want to see the price stay up above it. So that is an area that, I'll go ahead and call a must hold, because in the event, and I'm not saying this will occur, but just to explain the must hold comment, if the price were to come down to $1.09 and then just continue on down, at that point, that's essentially putting the price right back to where it was before the big movement occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Not that that's going to happen, but just to really kind of illustrate why, in my mind at least, that $1.09 and 50-period moving average is a very important level to watch going forward. So still one day left this week. Let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.